Welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you in Excel how to delete all of these blank rows very quickly. In this example, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blank rows, and it wouldn't take me too much effort to delete them if I did it manually. However, if I had a few hundred blank rows, it'd take a lot more effort. So what I'm going to show you works on both, whether it's only a few or hundreds or thousands. So let me show you how to do it. First thing you need to do is click at the top here and you select everything, and this works on Windows and Macs, you need to do Control G. So on a Mac that'll be your command button and G, so Control G, it brings up this go to. Now don't worry about this, you've probably never done this before, do not worry about this, it's very easy. So we've done Control G, then go to Special and then click on Blanks. Click OK. What it's now done, it's highlighted all of the blank rows. So you can see them all highlighted here, and there's some extra ones down the bottom here. Then right click, click on Delete. You got these options here. Choose to delete entire row. Click OK. And there you have it. It's removed all of those blanks. And as I say, that would happen if you had 100 blanks or 1,000 blanks or 10,000 blanks. It still works in exactly the same principle. So it's a real quick time saver there. Hopefully you found this video useful. If so, please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more top tech tips.